Hello everyone, my name is Paolo Palmerini. I'm from NewCop. NewCop is an Italian software development cooperative that works with NGOs and civil society organizations. We have developed a data management platform called DINO that we are currently using in a number of different contexts. You might ask why yet another data collection tool, since there are so many already available in the market. Actually, we believe that our tool has some new interesting features that allows to create a whole new set of web and mobile applications for NGOs and civil society organizations. Let's have a quick look at DINO. With DINO, it is possible to create users, either single users or group of users, and define permissions, schemas, and access profiles in a very personalized way. Of course, you can create forms, either using the graphical form builder contained within the application, or by importing an external XLS form file, which is the standard used for creating forms, for example, in Kobo Toolbox. Once you have created the forms, you can enter your data and visualize the forms that have already been created. You can also bulk upload external data from an Excel file properly formatted. What is interesting here in DINO is that we introduced the concept of metrics. Metrics are a sort of attributes that you can associate to the forms, and they allow to create relationship between the forms in a dynamic fashion. So it is possible to associate to every form like a location, and this will facilitate the final aggregation of data and any calculation you might want to do on your data, but also to establish connection and, for example, retrieve all the forms from different form schemas that share the same metric. Reports can be created using the XLS format that we introduce. So by creating a simple Excel file, you can configure and define your report in terms of the calculation and the formulas that you want to be applied on your data for obtaining the final information. And then you have your tables and graphical object displays in your report. You can download every single element in order to upload and easily merge them into your narrative reports or any other text document you might want to prepare. If that is not enough, it is also possible to export your data. Finally, there is also a language translation interface that allows to personalize all the translations and add new languages. DINO is also capable of working offline. It's a fully offline first application. So if I disconnect my device from the network, then the device keeps working and I can still create forms, add new data, create reports, and do everything which is possible on the platform. And once the connection is reestablished, then the synchronization happens automatically. DINO is also a fully responsive application, so it means that it can be used both on web devices, but also on mobile devices, either a tablet or a smartphone, without losing any of the functionalities. It also has its own mobile application that works for Android and for iOS systems, but it can also be used through a web browser, also from mobile devices. It is also possible to obtain from DINO a progressive web application where the application DINO can be installed on your computer as if it was any other piece of software, and it will work on your computer at local level without synchronization, even if there is no internet connection. All these new features that we have introduced make DINO a very good tool for creating complex application that extends beyond the model of single survey for collecting data. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and if you want to know more, just go to our website and you will find all the information. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy the rest of the forum.